Here's some practical English for you. Let's go do laundry. Do you like doing laundry? The first thing that I have to do is I have to separate the clothing from darks and lights. Darks are like dark blue, black, and lights are obviously light pink, white, light colors. Darks, lights. Put in the clothes. Select the program. Turn the machine on. Fill the washing machine. Measure the detergent. Pour the detergent. Rinse the top. Add the fabric softener. Now I wait until they're finished and then I put the clothes in the dryer and they have to dry. This is a dryer. Let's clean the lint trap. This is a lint trap. It needs to be cleaned. Load the dryer. What household chore do you like doing? Leave it in the comments.